Hi there, it's Professor Smith again. Welcome to part 2 of the introductory first day of class video for the nonprofit management class. Now I want to show you how to get into Canvas and do these assignments. The first day ones are super easy and fun, so let's get right to it. Well, we start out with Buzz-In. Go ahead and log into your Buzz-In, and then we're going to go over here to Canvas. See Canvas right there. Blackboard's shutting down. We're not going to be using that, so we're using Canvas. We'll click on that right there. And then we'll go to Courses. And you want... Okay, look at this. This is very important for your class. There are two different sections of this class. One's for undergrads, one's for graduate students, but it's the same class. It's just different in the catalog. And so we combined them the other day. So look at this. There's PO540XA, you don't want that one. You want PO540XA combined with PO540ZA. See that right there? This is the one you want, the combined one. So click that. And I clicked the wrong one. Not an auspicious start, but we'll get her done. We want to click that. Okay. Here, we're in, and there's some recent activities, some recent announcements. I'm going to put the syllabus up for now under the announcements. The reason I'm going to do that is because if I put it up under the syllabus link, which I know seems like the logical place for it, it's pretty intricate. They want me to put in the due dates for everything so they come up on a calendar and so forth. It's going to be really cool when it's done, but I'm still learning my way around. So for now, I'm going to put the syllabus up under announcements. Now, I haven't done that yet. I did email it out to everybody about an hour ago, but pretty soon you'll be able to click on announcements and see a copy of the syllabus. And eventually, I'll learn how to use the syllabus link that highlights all the dates and everything, but I haven't done that yet. So that's where the syllabus will be. What about your first day of class assignments? Well, we'll start out with the quiz. I want you to learn how to take quizzes on Canvas because it's going to make life easier for all of us in the future, because I'm going to give you quizzes about the readings. So I'll give you 5 points just for learning how to do it. So you start out, you go to quizzes here, and you see what quizzes you have, and there's just the one, the unnamed quiz. Click on it. My computer's running a bit slow. Here we go. And down here at the bottom, see this right here? Take the quiz. And here it comes up. And there is the quiz. And all I want you to do is mark the correct answer. It's pretty obvious which one the correct answer is. And just for doing that, just because I want you to learn how to do this ahead of time so that things are nice and smooth when I start putting quizzes up on here for real, so to speak, I'll give you 5 points just for marking this. I'm clicking submit. And there we go, and it will tell you how you did. Let's see here. If you go down here to attempt one, and oh, I'm so smart, I got 5 points out of 5 possible. And you can too. So that's how you take the quizzes. So be sure you take that first day of class easy 5.1, learn how to do this and get your 5 points. The second thing I want you to do is make a welcome video or audio recording or essay. For the video or audio recordings, they only need to be 5 minutes long or so. And for the essay, it only needs to be a page long. Just introduce yourself and say what you'd like to learn from a nonprofit management class. And it just adds a personal touch, I think, because the one real downside of online classes is they can be so impersonal. It's nice to see people's faces, hear people's voices, but I know some of you either don't feel comfortable with or don't have the technology to do that, and you'd rather write an essay, or you're just not comfortable with it, and that's fine if you'd rather do an essay. But just make it a little bit more personal, and you might even check out your classmates' audio or video recordings or essays, just to learn a little bit about who you're in class with, since we won't be meeting in a common location on class. So what I did is I went to discussions, see discussions over there, and then there's one discussion, upload your welcome video, audio recording, or essay here. And so you just click that and boom, here it comes. And what do? You reply. And so I'm going to go ahead and reply myself. You can just upload like this. See what I did? I went down here and did an attachment with the paper clip and post reply. And it's going to take a few minutes to save that because it does have a video recording. Now actually I just did that as an example, because what I'm going to do after I get done making this video is I'm going to go back and change this to YouTube links. I actually uploaded my video to YouTube, and that's easier because then you don't have to worry as much about whether or not your computer is up to the task of downloading the video and so on and so forth, what formats to use, whether it's QuickTime or Windows Media Player or what have you. I think it's easier to use YouTube. So that's another thing you might do if you're making a video. Just upload it to YouTube and then post the YouTube link if you have a YouTube account. But you can also go ahead and post just the video itself, the file, or audio recording or essay. But go ahead and do that for today's assignment, that and that easy 5-pointer quiz, and we'll get more into substantive assignments on Tuesday, tomorrow. I will see you then.